Hello and welcome to another on-the-road edition of the Pizza Kitchen. I'm your host, Brian Hernandez, and today we're coming to you from the wine bar here in Oxford, Mississippi, just down the road from the PMQ offices. I was recently able to travel to Fairhope, Alabama, and visit with Pete Blohme of Panini Pete's. They were kind enough to give us a great recipe for some beignets, a nice southern treat, very sweet with a little twist. So we're gonna make you today a lemon Jubilee beignet. So for this recipe, we're gonna need self-rising flour, eggs, vanilla, water, granulated sugar, kosher salt, unsalted butter, oil for a fryer, confectioner sugar, and fresh lemon wedges. Sift your flour into a medium bowl and then set that aside. In a separate bowl, whisk your eggs until blended and then add your vanilla. Bring the water, sugar, salt, and butter to a boil in a saucepan. Remove from the heat, add the sifted flour all at once, and stir with a whisk to combine and form a dough. Now once the dough is reached, add your egg mixture in 3 stages, blending it well with a wooden spoon between each stage. Heat your oil up to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Then using a 1-ounce scoop, scoop the dough into balls and place those balls into the fryer basket. Submerge the basket into the hot oil. Cook them for about 8 minutes and then release the beignets from the fryer basket into the hot oil. Move the beignets around the fryer using tongs or a slotted spoon and fry until golden brown and the insides are done. Strain the fried beignets and then transfer them to a bowl. Immediately sprinkle the hot beignets with confectioner sugar and serve them with fresh lemon wedges. Well, there you have it, guys. Lemon Jubilee beignets from Panini Pete's in Fairhope, Alabama. The only thing left to do is to give these guys a taste and see if it just imparts that French Quarter imagery in your head. Now they do give you some lemon to put on top. I guess I went for the biggest one there. Let's see how this works. It's very crispy, crunchy on the outside, very sweet, but it's very soft on the inside as well. And with that beautiful dusting of powdered sugar on top, you just can't beat it. But then I think what the kick is that lemon. It's not sour, it's like a lemonade. Just brings back memories of the South. That's it, guys. Lemon Jubilee beignets from Panini Pete's. Well, that's all the time we have in this on-the-road edition of the Pizza Kitchen, guys. I'd like to thank the Wine Bar for lending us their facilities. I'd like to thank Pete Blohme of Panini Pete's for this fantastic beignet recipe. If you want to read more about Pete Blohme and Panini Pete's, check out the Chef's Corner in the January issue of PMQ. I'd like to thank you all for joining us. I'm your host, Brian Hernandez, but until then, Laissez le bon temps rouler. Thank you, Daniel.